People will spend more when they perceive they are getting more. And today, you're going to learn how I made more money by selling less pizza. You're going to learn what the big national chains never put on their advertising. And you're going to learn how to amplify your sizes and portions on your menu so people spend more and order more. Let's get started. So here's the deal. When I bought my pizza shop, I inherited two pizzas sizes. The 12-inch was a small and the 16-inch was a large. That's just what they called it. That's what was on the menu. But it didn't take me long to figure out that my large was bigger than most everybody else's large. The chains, their large was a 14-inch. You know, mine's a 16-inch over here. And then remember, my small was a 12-inch, but everybody else's 12-inch they called a medium. Hang with me because I'm going to show you how I sold less pizza and made more money. So anyway, what I figure is I've got this bright idea. I'm going to educate my customers and let them know that my pizzas are bigger than their pizzas, right? I'll tell you, when you got to start getting into math and geometry and our pizzas, according to the circumference of the circle
times the gravitational pull of the sun divided by the Earth's rotation, clearly, this 16-inch large is 30% larger than this 14-inch large.
Got it? So what I finally decided on was, instead of going down the rabbit hole, I'm going to just make it easy for my customers and use a frame of reference they already have. And so here's what I did. I went from a 16-inch pizza down to a 15-inch pizza, then a 14-inch pizza, and I did this over the course of just a few months, right? And at the same time, I gave my small pizza a promotion and called it a medium now instead of a small. So now what I accomplished was simplifying my message, right? No more of this, my pizza's bigger than their pizza crap. I kept my prices intact and I lowered my food cost on larges by 30%. Now I'm on a level field. Okay, now the second thing I want to cover is that you're going to notice a few things on chain advertising. Let's go over this. First of all, look at this. Large, large, medium. We got medium. We've got large, large, large. We've got medium, large. What don't you see on here? Well, a couple things. One is you don't see small. Now, Pizza Hut has a personal pan pizza, but they don't have a small. Now, why is that? The word small sounds small, right? So they don't want to use that. Inches, same thing. Inches sound small. So we got medium and large. And the word large, that conveys big. So if you're using inches or you're using the word small on your advertising, I'd stop that. These guys have tested, and I would follow their lead. Now, in my book, Gun to the Head Marketing, I cover several ways that you can amplify sizes and portions, and it's very simple. Let's cover that. Ounces and inches, first of all, are the smaller component of pounds and feet. So we want to stick with the bigger things, not go with the smaller things. Second, and that's why McDonald's doesn't sell a 4-ouncer. They sell a 1/4 pounder, and it's why Subway doesn't sell a 12-incher. They sell a foot long, and that's why if you've got an 8-ounce pasta salad, nix that, you need to sell a 1/2 pound. And if you want to make that even sound bigger, it's a full 1/2 pound of pasta salad. Okay, so here's your takeaway. Amplifying the size or portion of a menu item costs you nothing, but it makes it easier for people to spend more when they can clearly see they are getting more. Eyeball your menu. Look for opportunities to use a 1/4 pound, a 1/2 pound, a 1/3 pound, whatever, instead of ounces. And you're going to want to standardize your medium and large pizza sizing to the national chains. Then once you get past a 14-inch pie, we're talking extra large, we're talking jumbo, monster, the beast, okay? These are big. And I want you to just think of the smile you're going to put on that guy's face when he wanders in and your order taker says, "Are you the guy with the ginormous sausage?" all kidding aside, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to do that now. I'm posting new content regularly, and I don't want you to miss a beat. And also, how are you using sizing or portions on your menu? And what are you calling your really big pizzas? I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you next time.